Hey guys, welcome to another video here at STI Liz. Today I bring you guys another install. It's going to be something super simple. As you can tell by the title of this video, it is going to be a carbon fiber grill. Well, it's the paint matched slash carbon fiber. I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a few moments. But I'm super excited to be putting this on my car. I know it's going to look so good, so I'm super excited about that. But I also have some exciting news to share with you guys. I'm not gonna say it now, but just stay tuned because I am working on something and I should have the video out very soon. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm just waiting on a couple things to finalize everything. And yeah, you guys will find out pretty soon. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this install. I hope you guys enjoy it, and a huge shout out to RallySport Direct for sending me this carbon fiber grill. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. And for all you guys watching, make sure to use my code STILIZ for 10% off. So let's get started with the install. So this is the grill. It is gorgeous. I love it. It's so nice. With the carbon fiber on the inside, and then it has the color match. I was gonna get a color match to my car, the crystal white pearl, but I thought that this would stand out more since it's black. It would be like a nice contrast. So I chose to wait for the black one. And then it has the carbon fiber inside. So I'm so excited to be throwing this on. So stay tuned and watch me install it. Okay, so I removed the bumper. Now it's time to replace the grill. Should be pretty quick. The sun is setting, so hopefully it doesn't get dark on me, but I don't think so. Okay, so I was able to remove the bracket. Now all you need to do is pull these little tabs up and then pull out the grill from behind, and it should release it. So let's do that. Okay, so this is the OEM grill, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it. I did change out the emblems a while ago. I love them, but now it's time for something different. And here is the new grill. I went ahead and placed the new grill. So there it is. I still haven't tightened it, but it looks so good. Look at that carbon fiber. I'm gonna go ahead and secure it from the back using the same bracket. And then they did provide some Phillips screws. They're a little bit longer than the ones that already came on the OEM grill. But yeah, so I'm just gonna switch them out just in case. Alrighty, so I went ahead and secured all of the Phillips screws, and I clipped in the bracket, the OEM bracket, so we should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put my bumper back on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I just finished. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it looks so good. It's so clean. I like how it doesn't have the emblem anymore. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do love the little Subaru emblem, but honestly I think this looks so much better. It's so aggressive. The carbon fiber looks so good, and I'm glad I went with the black instead of the white because I feel like it stands out. Honestly, I love it. I think it looks amazing, and if you guys are considering doing this, I honestly recommend it. Hey guys, so a little update. So I did finish obviously putting on my grill, but then I thought about it and I looked at it and I'm like, something's missing. This is missing. So I did want to get rid of my like the Subaru emblem, so I did do that, but I do want to throw this on Now I know that it's not going to be leveled because of this part here. So I went to Home Depot and I grabbed a few screws that are a little bit longer, and I'm just going to throw some washers on it. Hopefully that works. I'll see, but I don't want it to be like loose or anything. I was doing some research and I saw that on some it stays a little bit loose. So I'm gonna try that and hopefully that works. Okay, so I went ahead and removed my bumper and then I put the emblem on, but like I said, it wasn't gonna be leveled because on this side it has this part and on this side it doesn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some washers, but I went ahead and spray painted them before because I don't want them to be silver. I spray painted them black. My dad gave me this idea. We just put them on the screwdriver and we just spray painted them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Hopefully it doesn't look that bad, but I'll let you guys know. It's on, so now it's complete. I did get my dad's help just because I couldn't do it with the washers. They were like falling off, so I got him to help me. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think it looks good and I love it. I'm gonna put my bumper back on and then I will officially be done. Alrighty guys, so I am officially done and I am so glad that I took the time to put the STI badge back on because honestly it makes a huge difference and I love the way it looks. So I'm glad that I took the time to do that. But honestly, I love the turnout. I think it looks amazing. I always wanted that carbon grille, so I'm super happy. So stay tuned for my next video. It should be coming out very soon. I am working on a couple things just to finalize it, so it should be out pretty soon. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, but make sure to follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah.